Previously on Ready to Die.
Charleston Chew, an underrated candy bar. This is a Charleston classic, Towson against Xavier. Juwan Gray from Towson.
100%. What's happening? What's happening? What's going on, YouTube? It's the real Juan here, and we got
At Nia High.
and my
wife, Ready.
Okay. And today we're going on an adventure. Our first adventure in the whip, you know. But we're going to Ikea today. And she's been pressing my line about this for about 2 weeks now, and we finally got a chance to go. So we're gonna take y'all on the journey with us to Ikea. We're gonna show y'all all the stuff that we buy today. We're just gonna show y'all a day out in Vasteras, Sweden. So that's what we got going on.
See you there.
See you there. So we made it to Ikea, and we got a nice little video for y'all too. We are here for 5 items, and now let them know what these 5 items are.
Drying rack, basket, rug, 2 rugs. Maybe we need an iron.
Maybe.
Yeah,
Y'all heard the 5 items that we need, so I'm not trying to buy any other objects that are unnecessary because she has a list, and she told me the list. So y'all gonna be witnesses to that. That's not where Ikea is. Ikea's that way. Y'all, we made it up to Ikea for our first meal of the day. You know, we had to stop in and try some of the food because we don't want to walk around all day having attitudes because we haven't ate anything. And I can honestly say that I'm guilty of that. And Naya is too. Y'all wouldn't want to see her when she's angry. She like the Hulk, for real. With that being said, now let's go get some food. I know y'all see how good this looks. What better place to get some Swedish meatballs than actually in Sweden? And they gave us the cinnamon roll on the side for dessert. Immaculate Eats right here. So we just finished up eating lunch. We had the Swedish meatballs, the mashed potatoes and gravy with some peas, and which was fire. But now, this is the wrong Ikea location because look, that don't look like Ikea to me.
We have been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok, and flat out deceived.
Because she tricked me. She thinks she's slick, but she's not. I guess we're gonna be walking around the third H&M that we've been to since we've been here. All the products are the same, all the clothes are the same, but nothing's gonna be different. Keep trying to tell her that, but we're gonna see. We are gonna see. Now she's trying to look like she's actually interested in something, just because I said that. This hoodie is kind of nice though.
It is, that green is fun.
But I don't need it. We came here to go to Ikea. We out. Ikea's that way. As y'all can see, this woman is getting tired of me. But I wanted her to be happy, so I let her walk around the mall for a little bit. But watch how she does me in the next clip. She tried to bamboozle me, y'all. She got more stuff and put it in the same bag, so she thought I wouldn't find out.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Because if you didn't want to hide it, you would have got another bag from where you bought clothes from.
I wasn't paying for another bag.
Please, that's your excuse.
Yeah.
I knew you were trying to hide something because 1, the bag wasn't that big when I left. And 2, the hoodie you brought from H&M was on top, so you had to put the other clothes at the bottom of the bag. Because you knew I would say something.
You got me.
Here we are. I'm not bullying her. She's hiding things from me. That's not a good thing to have in a relationship.
Beautiful bag. Record that for my mom.
Didn't you have this in your dorm room?
Yeah, I used to have. She really liked it.
It's like a maze in here.
I see it over here. You like that?
Hamper? We don't have anything to like hang it on.
You don't? Back of the door? We're not gonna go all the way behind the door. That's cute. I would do that. You're gonna cook with these? Oh, these are beautiful.
This is not our department.
Think that's sufficient?
We do laundry like every day.
Yeah, and we're not gonna be having that much stuff hanging. Oh look,
Hamper.
how much is it? $9?
$10, yeah. Take a pic of that. We need that for our crib.
You know, put a bunch of laundry.
This is our drying rack. Go ahead and grab it. Next to the rugs. Two. One for the bathroom and one for the kitchen. So 2.
The same?
Yeah, sure. What rug is this for?
Too fluffy.
Too fluffy? All right.
I want to be able to like, oh, it's dirty.
And that is the 5th item on our list. We got 2 rugs, we got the hamper, we got the drying rack. Oh, that's all we needed. All right, we out of here then. This is our IKEA haul, and she has the drying rack in her hand. It's a pretty cheap trick. I was thinking we were going to spend a little more than we actually did, but for these 5 items, it was like $37, $38. So.
Bye-bye, IKEA.
Bye-bye, IKEA. We're not coming back for a while. At least not to this one, because I've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Okay, bye.